Hi, this is Deanne Adamson, and I'd like to share with you about our upcoming coach training program. At Being True to You, we work as addiction recovery and psychedelic integration coaches, helping people to navigate the rocky landscape of recovery and personal transformation. After 8 years of doing this work, we've created a comprehensive and paradigm-shifting coach training program that draws from our experience on the front lines. Addiction, depression, and anxiety have reached epidemic proportions. And while psychedelic treatments like ibogaine, ayahuasca, and psilocybin are gaining traction, our cultural understanding of how to best utilize them is still very rudimentary. In addition to that, the conventional mental health and recovery industries are leaving many people behind. And it's clear we need to radically evolve our understanding in order to help people achieve true healing and growth. This realization is the genesis of our transformational recovery model, and it's why we provide coaching, integration support, and coach training. So if you're interested in up-leveling your understanding of addiction recovery, psycho-spiritual healing, and psychedelic integration, join our one-of-a-kind certification program. Whether you're a mental health professional, have your own coaching business, are interested in becoming a coach, or are just passionate about these topics and want to deepen your understanding, visit our website to reserve your spot. Not only will you learn how to support someone else through their transformational process, but you'll embark upon your own journey of transformation. I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you for watching this video and for sharing it with anyone else who might be interested.